Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Aces. This is their Huy Fong Sriracha Ramen Noodle Soup, and I've tried the original chicken and beef, but I guess there's another variety in here that's going to be pretty cool and worth trying. So let's get on with it, crack it open, see what's inside. Oh, cool. So right now my reviews of their original chicken and beef, I believe, are coming out on YouTube on episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Go check out the channel and see if you can find those. I know one of them at least is out, if not two. But there's other ones too. So let's look in here. Yeah, so here's the chicken variety, the beef variety, and of course the original variety. So I've tried all three of these and they're quite good. But what's this? Lobster. And I'm stoked to see extra spicy. So that's a nice touch. I've been doing a lot of mukbang lately, and something that's extra spicy fits the bill. Wow, so here's all of them. Very cool. Thank you very much. I was thinking maybe I'd try doing some kind of interesting recipe with them. Maybe a burrito or, I don't know, something new and different. You can see how it goes. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, thanks to the folks over at Aces for shooting this over. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.